In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a digital download to sell as an offer. So inside Kajabi, you're going to head over to products and go down to downloads. Create your first download and click get started. That's going to open up to this screen. You're going to give it a title. So I am going to upload a workbook for Sell While You Sleep, which is my book. And then I'm going to add a brief description in here. It's a perfect companion to the Sell While You Sleep book to track all of your business insights and plans to create your dream business. Then you can add a thumbnail. It is best if you have all of this information ready to go when you first set it up, because it's going to auto create you a offer and various things. So I'm just using this image. It's not perfect, but just for an example, we're going to save this image. If you don't have an image, you're going to have to go back and upload an image to your offer and upload it in various places. So again, best to have this information ready for you right here. Then we're going to choose a file. So I'm going to go ahead and upload the workbook here. And we have our file. We can edit the file and the names later. This is going to be a paid offer, one-time payment. We're going to set the price to, let's say, $12. You can do a let customers pay what they want, which is kind of a cool feature. I've selected Kajabi payments and we're going to select next. So this is a great way if you have, let's say, digital journals or PDFs or templates, downloadable templates that you want to offer. Maybe it's Canva links or things like that, or Canva files. You can add files here and have this. So now we have the file, we have an offer created, we don't have any customers yet, and then there are settings where we can modify the information. So we've got our offer here. And actually, it looks like we will need to go add our image, which is no problem. I feel like it's added it before. But let's choose an image. We can just select a recent file because that is uploaded in here. And so that makes it really easy to do there. We can have an internal title. We can have the description here. We can keep the internal title the same, but you can have it be something else. That if you want to highlight it a different way. Internal is something you see, your customers will see this title at the top. And then we do have the product in here. So it already added the product. You could add additional products if you have multiple digital downloads that you want to offer in one offer. So it just auto created this offer, but you can certainly go in and modify if you want to add more things. We can begin access at a specific date, restrict access for a specific amount of days. Maybe they only get this digital download for 7 days because it was a promo and they need to claim it right away. Post-purchase, where do you want them to go? Do you want them to go to the library? You want them to go to a landing page, a custom thank you page? You can set up a custom email here, or you can add automations to once it's purchased, then maybe you subscribe them to an email sequence, or you add a tag, or you send an email. Maybe there's a couple things, or you send a single-use coupon. So there are lots of things that you can do within this offer. And so we'll go ahead and save that. And then, of course, you would want to edit the checkout here. So this is where you can add more information. You can design it. You can stylize it here by modifying this image. You can update the information here and select all the information. So you kind of go through these on the left-hand side to create your offer. But that is how you would set up an offer to sell a digital download. Then if we go back into our offers inside Kajabi, we can see this is our new offer, Sell While You Sleep workbook. You can grab the link here and you can send that to someone, whether you're promoting it on social media and using ManyChat to automate and send them this link. I do have a YouTube video that shows you how to do that. I will link that below in this video. Or there's lots of other ways that you can share it with people. So that is how you create a digital download. If you're interested in using Kajabi for your business, you can use our referral link. I'll link that below in the description, and we'll give you free access to our one-page website in a day template that includes our Magic AI website writer, which helps you write your copy using AI and set up your one-page website literally in a day. It's all designed for you. You just have to swap out the colors, the text, and the images, and you're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on branding, copy, and design. Want more? Check out this video next.